Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nurse Adorable. I welcome you back to Living Healthy with Nurse Adorable. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to lower your blood pressure at home with diet and simply with fruits and vegetables. This is the first episode and more episodes will be uploaded very soon. Hypertension means increase in blood pressure. And in one of my videos, I have been able to discuss what hypertension means, the causes, the signs and symptoms, and prevention. But in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to lower your blood pressure with fruits and vegetables. Now, let's get started. Now, the first vegetable I'm going to mention is beetroot. Beetroot helps to lower the blood pressure because it contains nitrates, which is converted into nitric oxide within the body, and this nitric oxide helps to relax the blood vessels. Once it relaxes the blood vessels, it helps to dilate the blood vessels, which makes the blood flow to be very easy and thereby prevent high blood pressure. If you always experience low blood pressure as a hypertensive patient, it is important that you check your blood pressure before you take your beetroot. To take your beetroot, you can juice it with carrot or make it into smoothie with carrot or other vegetables or other fruits and vegetables. This will make the consumption of beetroot to be convenient for you. The second vegetable I'm going to mention in today's video to lower your blood pressure naturally is the carrots. Carrots are high in phenolic compound and caffeic acid. Caffeic acid and phenolic compound helps to relax the blood vessels, and once they relax the blood vessels, it lowers the blood pressure. It also helps to reduce inflammation. Eat carrots rawly daily. It helps to lower your blood pressure. Here comes cocoa powder. Cocoa powder helps to lower your blood pressure because it contains flavonols, just like the dark chocolate. Flavonols helps to increase the endothelial nitric oxides, which promotes the dilation of the blood vessels and thereby lowers the blood pressures. We should know that when our blood vessels are being dilated, it thereby lowers the blood pressure. The next I'm going to talk about is a fruit, and it is an apple. Apple contains polyphenols and potassium. These two nutrients are known to be blood pressure lowering elements. Eat an apple daily before meal. This can help to prevent heart diseases. You can eat your apple alone. You can juice it and you can blend it into smoothie and enjoy. And the last fruit I'm going to talk about in today's episode is lemon. Lemon is rich in calcium and potassium. And as we all know that everything that is rich in potassium helps to lower the blood pressure. So this lemon helps to dilate blood vessels and decreases blood pressure. I will be bringing to you more tips on how to lower your high blood pressure naturally at home in my subsequent videos. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so as not to miss out when I drop new videos. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again in my next video. Live healthy and stay safe.